Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video we're going to talk about this idiom phrase, or what do you call it, this expression. The pot calling the kettle black. The pot calling the kettle black. This, imagine you go out for a picnic and you put the pot and the kettle on fire, okay? It smokes and it turns the whatever color that the pot and the kettle is turns to black because of the smoke which comes from fire. Okay, so imagine you've got a black pot and a black kettle. Okay, then it's just the expression is using the same picture of two things that have the same quality, but one calling the other one black. Okay, that is like you smoke cigarettes, let's say, and your friend who also smokes cigarette tells you this is bad for your health, this is not good, and all those things. And you know, that is the same thing. He smokes and he is calling you a smoker, addicted, something like that. Okay, or someone is overweight and another one exactly the same or even worse goes to the person and says, oh, you need to lose weight. That's the same thing. You also need to lose weight, but who you are telling me to lose weight. I need to lose weight. Look at yourself. Okay, that's the area we use this one. So when someone who shares the same quality, who has the quality, blames or accuses someone else for having the quality, in response we say that is the pot calling the kettle black. Okay, I am thin and I tell you, you are thin, you're dying. I am accusing you of being thin while I am thin. So this is the same thing. That is the pot calling the kettle black. Okay, I have the same quality as you and I am accusing you of that because you have that and I do not look at myself. So this is when we use this expression. I hope this explanation has been helpful. Now let's look at these examples over here. She calls me selfish. That's the pot calling the kettle black. Looking at this one, okay, if this is the sentence, so she calls me selfish, that's her opinion of me. She thinks I am selfish, so that's why she calls me selfish. But when it comes, when this one comes after it, okay, when we say this one after that, that's the pot calling the kettle black, we understand that she is also selfish. And she is even more, she's worse, okay, she's worse than me, and then she calls me selfish. When we put this one after the sentence, we're describing this person and saying that this person shares the quality and has this. So if someone tells you something about you that he or she has got it also, you can use this one. Okay, and this one, A tells B, you need to quit smoking. And then B says, yeah, isn't it pot calling the kettle black? Means you need to quit smoking too. Okay? It means A also has the same quality and is not looking at himself and just blaming the other one. Okay? Just telling on the other one what to do or how bad it is, or accusing or advising or doing these kind of things. Okay, so we use this when this is the situation. I hope you've learned something new today, and if you think you've got one like this in your language, if you have the same expression maybe in a different way, just comment it below this video and write the literal meaning as well, and I'll be glad to learn something from you as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.